Hey there, I'm Shane Reynolds. Welcome back to Peaden Connect. We're here at Peaden's office here in Fort Walton Beach, Florida. And today we're gonna go a little bit behind the scenes with a service tech to give you all the insight on what happens before, during, and after a service call. So let's get to it. Ata.
Hey, how you doing, man?
Hey man, Shane Reynolds.
Nice to meet you.
Thanks for having me.
My pleasure. How you doing?
I'm doing good, man. I'm looking forward to my first ride along here.
Awesome, it'll be fun. All right.
So where are we heading?
So we got a call saying that the panel is losing voltage in one of the breakers. The dispatcher told me it's an Eaton breaker. I'm gonna grab a few of them because from an old panel, sometimes those breakers start wearing out if it's over 10 years old. So I'm just gonna grab a few. If that's the problem, it'll be a quick fix for her for today. She'll be good to go.
Let's go get it.
All right.
All right.
All right.
Time to gear up.
Let's get some stuff.
So what do we need for this?
I am going to grab, just in case, few breakers that I think is the main issue for that house, because she said it sometimes trips, it has low voltage. I think the breaker goes bad. If it's warm to the touch, that means it's dying. Hopefully we'll just swap them with the new one. We'll be good to go.
But it could possibly be a bigger issue. And
yes, it could.
Would you be able to handle that?
Yeah, I'm gonna do full diagnostic if it's not the breakers. But either way, if the problem is the breakers, I'm still gonna diagnose the whole panel, make sure everything's correct and done the way it's supposed to be.
Hey, be prepared for anything. You're a Boy Scout.
Yes, sir. So I'm gonna check the distance from my location to the customers to make sure there's no traffic, accidents, or anything like that. Looks like I'll be there in 35 minutes. And all I'm gonna do is shoot a text saying I'm on my way. And she'll get my picture, my information, so she'll know who to expect.
Okay.
We're good to go.
All right. Let's do this.
All right.
So how long have you been into this? What got you into electrical work?
Electrical work, I was doing a lot of remodeling condos and commercial buildings. And everything is basically straightforward except the electrical. There's so many ways to wire up electrical.
Right.
So I was fascinated about that and I had a lot of fun fixing them and searching for problems. And I don't know, every single house has something different and I love finding out the problems, how to fix them.
So you're a puzzle solver.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. It's a lot of fun.
Played with a lot of Tinker toys when you were a kid?
When I was a kid, yeah, my very first experience was I used a fork and a receptacle, and I have my first dose of childhood coffee alert.
Yeah, junior electrical work.
Yeah, my dad knew I was going to be an electrician because my hair stood up as soon as I got shocked.
So it works like coffee, you say?
Yes, sir.
I'll have to take your word for that one. So how long have you been working with Peaden?
With Peaden, this would be my second year. It's a lot different than other companies, that's for sure. With Peaden, there's more training. They're more family oriented. They put God first, family second, and work third. They follow they have their own culture, which I really love, and they always help each other out. I love the training. We always go through safety. It's just very important because sometimes you just forget.
Right.
Yeah.
And you got everything you need right here, and this van seems to carry everything.
I have the essential tools that if the job is less than 4 hours, I can do it. I got most of the tools to do that. But if the job is over 4 hours or more, then what we do is gather as much information we can about the job, take as much pictures as we can. But we also have expert installers that they can actually figure out even better way than I can, which is cool too. I learn a lot from them too.
So you guys know so much about electrical. It's kind of like that show Car Talk. People can call in, tell you what the issue is, and you can kind of diagnose it over the phone. But you're still going to get out there and really, make sure.
Yeah, most of the time, most people don't know about GFCI breakers. They say in the garage, my receptacles don't work. We can sometimes on our phone just tell them, find your GFCI receptacle and press a button on it. That'll fix the problem.
And do you normally ride solo, or am I taking your partner's spot?
Majority of the time I ride solo. If I can do the job in less than 3 hours, then I just do it myself. But if I do need some help, there's always some Peaden people around this whole area. It could be electrical, or it could be plumbing or AC.
Looks like we're here.
All right.
I'm gonna hang here in the AC.
All right.
I don't want to freak out your customer, so yeah, just let me know how it goes.
Okay. Thank you.
Good luck.
All right. Be right back.
All right, what's the damage?
All right, it was those breakers, like I said. The panel's still.
He knows his stuff.
The panel's still about 10 years old. It's a good panel. Just breakers. Sometimes manufacturers doesn't give you good breakers.
Nice.
But everything was awesome.
Well done.
Good to go.
Well done.
All right.
Now back to the office.
Back to the office for the next call.
And you got to write a report now.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
When I get there, I'll tell the dispatcher, and they'll call the customers, and they'll rate how my service went.
That's about as easy as it gets right there. Thanks for letting me hang out.
Oh, my pleasure.
Do a little ride along. It's always a good time.
It was a lot of fun.
And thank you guys for watching. Make sure to get those notifications for further episodes. We got all kinds of behind the scenes stories going on here at Peaden Connect. Like, subscribe. I'm Shane. We'll see you next time.